My name is Donatas. Great to be here. Hello everyone. And I'm introducing you today art gallery management software online, ArtNetBook.com. I will start from our fantastic, awesome. So, as a CEO and founder, I have over 10 years of experience in art management business. Actually, I grew up in a professional art gallery. My parents, 22 years ago, established professional art gallery in Vilnius. So I'm happy and proud of my team because each day we are developing our beloved product, ArtNetBook. Each day we're trying to make it better, develop better. And we have in-house web programmer, designer, graphic designer, software programmer, head of programming, CEO. This is a cool process of art gallery business. As you may see, this is not that easy way. Sometimes it could be seen as easy way, but it's not that easy way to manage art gallery business. It's quite a headache to major art galleries, art gallery owners. And as a matter of fact, there's quite a few options to choose from art management tools in the world. So what we think is actually all the tools are not customized and developed and not adapted to the art gallery needs. So that's why we started creating art gallery management software to run and manage galleries online. So the idea is that we surveyed in forums worldwide. I talked over to different art gallery managers, owners, and we investigated that these guys are having pretty much the same problems as we do in our gallery. So let me introduce you shortly. What is the purpose? Actually, we are trying to change the way of the art market behavior. Let me introduce you to our product. Our product is quite simple. Here you see short-listed features of the product itself. I will quickly look through. It's Artworks. It's like an inventory art management tool for easily management, storing your artworks, images. We have developed apps for iPhone and iPad. You can easily generate your sales instantly, invoicing. You can generate reports instantly online, and you see how your business is taking place. We are partners with amcharge.com. It's actually the best online reporting tool in the world, I would say so. This is a cost, it's like a personal cost for each galleries we're giving them. So you can then exposit your gallery. This is after getting feedbacks from our customers, we developed an art market. This is social art marketplace for artists, art lovers, buyers, art galleries to represent, sell, buy artworks online. You can share artworks information. You can comment. You can share on Facebook. You can vote. So here we are, and if you choose to work with our online tool, we believe that your future would look like this. We believe that your future would be like this because you can travel a lot, you can work from wherever you want to. Our competitors are mainly downloadable softwares, and we are mainly only one solution, totally cloud-based. So they are very expensive ones as they are downloadables. So we have quite a few ones, and there's a worst and best usability. We structured them, and as you may see, we investigated and we made it just better. ArtNetBook facts. We want to express special thanks to Enterprise Lithuania that gave ArtNetBook an award of $60,000 to export its services to the USA. So thank you Enterprise Lithuania. Has been translated into 7 languages. That meaning we can upgrade, and we want to make a big business. And if you could now launch a video, it is very short, please. Find strategic investors, our main object.
Welcome to ArtNetBook.com. It is the best art gallery online software. Forget your personal office computers and manage your art gallery online from any place in the world. Change your gallery business in the art world. Free your art gallery business with ArtNetBook.com. ArtNetBook.com is the gallery management software integrated together with easy-to-run state-of-the-art reports and chart systems. Now you can check all of your gallery business processes and run your company online. It is designed for running, controlling, storing, changing, and updating information, as well as easy generation, drawing, and printing the best reports. Use any internet access in the world to run and control your art gallery business. It is a very fast and easy way you can change and update information yourself. ArtNetBook.com is the art gallery online software with fast to enter and easy to browse functions. Save your time and money. Be smart and stay visible in the world art market. ArtNetBook.com will get you fast answers and let you come up with fast and easy solutions.
Thank you so much.
Yo, dog, I heard you like presentations, so I put a presentation in your presentation. I mean, it's much improved. It's pretty solid. I mean, I get it. I would love to see some more market sizing around, like, how big is this, and how does this actually end up growing the market for galleries? But it's very nicely presented. I thought you did a fine job. I don't think the video actually helped me any better understand what the concept was. So I think you would have done just fine on your own.
So shall I answer the question about the market size? Okay, the estimated market size, according to our surveys and investigation, is could be approximated to 130 million USD dollars. And today's market size, as of its competitors, is approximated to 10 million. So the market is still, and it will grow faster in the nearest future. That's why we need money to launch and scale the business quite fast, as the downloadable softwares will definitely move to cloud solutions, and they'll definitely understand that this is a big niche and a big money standing for it.
So I got to talk with you some yesterday. Wow, there's a huge amount of change since yesterday, and I agree, it's a huge progress forward, and I really am now starting to begin to understand the business. It makes me want to ask a whole bunch more questions. So for the first time now, I understand that it's cloud-based and how radical and new that is compared to the other entries. And you sold me on that. That's a tremendous thumbs up. The future of this is in the cloud. What I'm curious about is when I think of an art gallery owner, I think of him as the person who's the curator, the go-between between the artist or the artist agent and the buyer or the buyer's agent. And so everything I saw here really looked more like I'm a shop manager and I'm managing my internal inventory. It begged the question of, is this have an interface for the artist or the artist agent to basically select, in what they're proposing or offering, and then the art gallery owner curates a subset of that, and then on the flip side are the buyers then picking their favorites and assembling, and is this a platform for then people who are on Pinterest to find and say, I like, and this is a discovery. So those questions were all there, because that's more than just sort of like a piece of, for this particular vertical, here's your little in your building shop software. Oh, by the way, it happens to be in the cloud.
Okay, so let me shortly answer the question. We just recently developed the art market. It will have plenty of social aspects. The art market is integrated within your software. So if you just check the check the box that you would like to send your kiosk to the art market, it is instantly going to the art market. And it is free of charge. We made it free because so that artists, galleries, and art lovers would combine together, they can come up together, and then they would chat there, they would share the artworks, artists would share their expressions, how they felt, why they created that artwork, and buyers would definitely know exactly. It's like Amazon actually with books. We're a little bit trying to get into that. So that ratings would be, votings would be, I would definitely understand as a buyer, why should I buy this artwork? I should be understanding.
So let me just jump in there. Like, so Amazon is helping people self-publish books. Right? So it's not that Amazon built software for small bookstores to do better business. Amazon has let people who always wanted to write a book put their book out there, and then maybe a bookstore will pick it up but you're potentially a channel for me, like an artist, to get my artist uploaded, and then I can shop it around to different art gallery managers. Now they pick up a portion of my portfolio. Again, what I'm really suggesting is you think about empowering the gallery owner as a curator, as the go-between between two ships passing in the night, the artist and the buyer that don't know how to find each other. So I don't mean to taking up too much time, but
Thank you.
You turned me on to that possibility, so thumbs up on that.
What's specific about about art galleries as a retail business that you're addressing with your software?
Actually, it is very specific, as you have plenty of art managers facing daily businesses as it regards paperwork. We have plenty of things to do as having admission sheets, recovery sheets, you have papers. People would come to your gallery, bring your artwork to your store, to your gallery. You have to issue the document, you have to issue an invoice to your client, you have to send this invoice to a bookkeeper, and everything it's not in one place, it's not packed actually. And sometimes you come from a holiday after a month, and you see it's a total crap on your table. You don't understand anything, what was going on. Before you left, somebody jot down this, somebody jot down that. Nothing is in one place, so that's why we built it up a platform, easily structured features, so that it would be very easy to navigate and understand for even beginners or art professionals.
So can you generalize this to a store that sells items on consignment?
Excuse me, once again.
Can you generalize this solution to a store that sells items on consignment, not just art?
It could be like this. It's particularly on consignment. Yes, the gallery works basically on consignment. Yes, you have to issue the document, otherwise it's not possible. It's a proven business. It's a rule of thumb. Otherwise, you cannot work in the gallery. You have to sign agreements with your artist. You have to be dealer. You have to be proven dealer.
Hi there. We also talked earlier, and I really like your experience as a gallery owner. Obviously, you're the domain expert, so you've got a leg up on the competition on that. The sense that I get is that we have two different products here, two different needs that you're trying to address. The first need was the original one, which was essentially an inventory management system for gallery owners. And then it sounds like recently you added a marketplace. The sense that I'm getting here is that the marketplace piece really needs to be augmented, and we're all sort of kind of thinking in terms of the marketplace piece, when really the piece that's the most fully featured is the inventory management piece. So there's a little bit of sort of work to be done there to kind of pull the two things together.
Can I briefly explain why the art market appeared? Because our registered users wrote us that they would definitely sell their artworks better. So when you are using your software, you are not going outside. You just understand the business better. So we created instant actually integration with the social aspects, so that they would be, so that art dealers, collectors, art shop owners, gallery owners would go and see and find the upcoming artists. They would find and seek for better opportunities. So that's why even software becomes more viable as a product. And then this also explains a lot, actually. That's why we created, it's a free of charge. And our software is a subscription base, 69 euros a month. But it's still very attractive to the art manager have this feature for free, actually, at the end of the day, as an art partner.
So I see an immediate need right now for museum gift stores that accept items on consignment that kind of match the museum curation. Because right now they use Excel spreadsheets. I worked with these stores before I had a side business that was selling trinkets through consignment. So that's an immediate need right there. So if you have an MVP, you can start approaching those guys already.
Exactly.
Thank you.